everybody. This is Heather from CysterWigs, and this is Presley by Henry Margu in 5H. Nigel, my husband, is downstairs and he has not seen me in this wig yet. So I'm gonna call him and have him come up and we'll see what his reaction is, okay? I'm not gonna tell him the camera's rolling. So. Hey Nigel!
Yes, my sweet?
Can you come up here?
Sure, hold on, please. Hello, yes?
Hey, so what do you think?
Hubba, hubba.
So you like this one?
Hello, gorgeous.
Oh, I love you. You're so good for my self-esteem. So yeah?
Yeah, that one's a keeper, I think.
Okay, well excellent. Thank you. I have the camera running.
Oh,
They know who you are.
hi.
Hi.
I'm going back to my book now.
Thank you for being a good sport. Okay, so yeah, this one's cute, and as Nigel said, it's a keeper. It's a great wig. It's very reminiscent of like Miranda by John Renaud or Love, Love, Love by Raquel Welch, and I really enjoyed both of those wigs. Presley is probably the most natural looking, and I think this color is definitely helping with that. This 5H is a very subdued, very pretty, natural looking kind of chocolatey color. It's lovely. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Presley by Henry Margu looks like on all sides. So yeah, I love the layering on the bottom of this wig. I think that this style in general is super flattering because it's so sleek and straight and smooth up against the head. The layering is quite long on Presley. It starts like in the middle of my neck, which gives a very beautiful, soft frame to the face and gives you all of this beautiful layering down at the bottoms. This is not a curly wig, it's definitely straight, but it looks like it's been blown out a bit with a round brush. That's the overall appearance you're gonna get. Let me go ahead and take Presley off so I can show you the cap features. Presley by Henry Margu has a monofilament side part on the left-hand side when you have the wig on, and a contoured hand-tied lace front that is pre-cut and translucent. She's also got a little teeny bit of permatease on the side opposite of where that monofilament side part is. We've also got open wefts on the side, and the back we've got an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, and we have felt here on the ear tabs. And you get a generous amount of stretch with this wig, so she's very comfortable on. The weight on Presley is 4.8 ounces, so she has a deceptive amount of hair. She's got very natural density, but at the same time, you get quite a bit of hair on this wig. The bang, if you could call it that, is 10.75 inches and is meant to be swept off to the side. The sides are about 10 3/4 inches as well, so it's about the same length as the front, maybe a little longer. The nape is 11 3/4 inches. The overall length from the top to the bottom, so the top of the crown down to the bottom of the hair in the back, is about 18.5 inches. I'm 5'8", so that hits right at the top of my back. Beautiful wig. I really think Presley is a winner. This is a classic girl next door sort of style that looks great on basically everyone. And I'm gonna probably keep this sample wig because I really like it. And I think it's very flattering, and hooray. So this is Presley by Henry Margu in the color 5H. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. You can see Presley and a whole bunch of really awesome Henry Margu wigs at my web store, so hopefully you'll mosey on down there. Late in the afternoon, you get kind of bored at work, your eyes are starting to glaze over, maybe, you know, it's middle of the afternoon, you're watching The Price is Right, it's a commercial break, and you just sort of want to check in on the CysterWigs action. Come on by, we'd love to see you. It's pretty fun around CysterWigs territory. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.